Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today, the stock ticker I'd like to talk about is VIH. They are recently merging with a company called Bakkt. I have made a video on this in the past, so if you'd like to check that out, I will leave the link in the comments below. Also, if you'd like some free stocks from Webull, they are offering 2 free stocks if you sign up, and then if you invest $100, you also get 2 more free stocks. So if you'd like to benefit me and yourself, please go ahead and check that out. So let's get into it. I'd like to give a little bit of update on the company Bakkt, what's happening, if ARK Invest is actually investing in this company. It looks like they maybe have been investing for the past 6 months behind the scenes without actually investing in Bakkt. So let's take a look here. ICE crypto exchange is going public, which we already talked about. They are merging with Victory Capital Holdings. The company will be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Intercontinental Exchange is known as ICE, is the majority owner of Bakkt, and so remember that when I show you a different chart, we will go back and touch base on the Intercontinental Exchange. So Bakkt is a digital asset marketplace. It's essentially a digitized wallet that allows you to buy cryptocurrencies as well. And so under the deal, new investors will get 8% of the equity, pipe investors get 12%, Victory gets 2% as a sponsor, and current investors will get 78%. ICE will have what's termed as a minority interest of 65%. And so let's take a look at some of the other companies that are in the space. Bakkt will not be alone in this. Coinbase is also looking to go public. They have submitted for an IPO back in December, and so that is going to be a very large company in the cryptocurrency space, which I think will drive attention to it. Coinbase is one of the largest exchanges and the most convenient. I have bought cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, and I will provide a link below if you'd like to use that. They are also getting help from Citigroup and PayPal that's also looking into the cryptocurrency space and using that for their payment systems. And so they have a lot of support in the space with Bitcoin surging over the past month. I think there's a lot of attention on Bitcoin. And so a lot of these companies are trying to get to the stock market as soon as possible. And so that's why we're seeing Coinbase and Bakkt get to it. I think we'll see more in the next few weeks that are related to cryptocurrencies. So let's take a look at an article here. This article is stating that Cathie Woods, the founder of ARK Invest, is saying that Bitcoin could hit $500,000. And this is if institutional investors start buying into Bitcoin and they all start to own it. They will use it as a hedge fund, and it will increase the value to almost $500,000. And so this was written back in November, and this was prior to Bitcoin going up to almost $40,000. I know there's JP Morgan and many other analysts that have given price projections for Bitcoin. A lot of them are over the $100,000, $200,000 mark. So I'd like to take a look at ARK's investment solutions. So here it shows the different ETFs that they currently have. They have recently announced the space exploration into the ETF known as ARKX. And so they are going to be opening up that exchange here shortly. They also have cryptocurrency on the bottom down here as an option for investments. As you can see, they currently do not have any plans for cryptocurrency. However, since they do have it listed here, I do think that in the near future they will have a fund that will support it, whether that is tied to Bitcoin or is following Bakkt, or if there's another way that they plan to invest into cryptocurrencies. And so here we can also see that ARK Invest has been buying Intercontinental Exchange stock since late August of 2020. And so they have bought quite a few shares. They own 4.83 million shares. And so they have a substantial holding in ICE. It seems like maybe ARK Invest is investing in the company. Maybe they knew about this coming 6 months ago, and they have actually been purchasing along the way. And so as we can see here on January 7th and 8th, they made 2 other large purchases of ICE stock, and that was right before the announcement for the SPAC merger of VIH. And so I think ARK Invest may be interested in investing in this. If you enjoyed the content of the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.